Hello, speakers! Welcome back to another lesson talking about London. Today, let's explore London with simple words using there is and there are. We can use there is for one thing and there are for more than one. Got it? The big bridge. Now think of a big bridge over a river. Look up. There's a huge bridge in London called Tower Bridge, and there are boats going under it. The beautiful park. Now let's check out a giant park with lots of trees in the heart of London. It's called Hyde Park. Tell me, what can you see? There is a pathway and there are trees alongside. The night lights. When it gets dark, London turns into a magical place with lots of bright lights. There is a special feeling in the city at night, and there are colorful lights outside the theaters. Hello, it was a pleasure to have you here today. Thank you very much. See you in the next lesson.